My third question 6 plus 4 equals 10. 1 will fly over the head of 5. It didn't become 5, it becomes 6. 6 plus 4 also 10. 1 will fly over the 0. 1 plus 9 equal 10 and 1. 3 plus 7 equal 10 and 1. 9 plus 1 10 and 1. 7 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 and 1. Here it's 10. I have how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It's 10 million. I will convert these horizontal questions into vertical and I will do my plus. I will do one exercise and do the rest. 6 plus 4 equal 10. 4 plus 7 11 and 1. 9 plus 2 12 and 1. 5 plus 6 11. This is my answer. And here the number will stay the same. 9 plus 6, I will add it. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, it's 5 and 1, it's 10 and 1, it's 10 and 1, it's 10 and 1, it's 10 and 1, it's 10. It's like this. Okay, and this is simple addition 2. My second question here. Using rounding strategy to estimate the sum. I have here a question. He asked me first to round to the nearest 10 and then by the answer and see what is the actual sum. I will get the actual sum and then the rounding. Which one is closer to the actual sum? By rounding the numbers to the nearest 100, it becomes 8,300. By the rounding to the nearest 1,000, it's 9,000. I see from one of these three which one is closer to the actual sum. I guess to the rounding to the nearest 10. Here I'm going to get the actual sum. 142 plus 165 equals 2 plus 5 equal 7. 6 plus 4 10 and 1 307. This is my actual sum. My estimated result. I have here two rounding to the nearest tens and rounding to the nearest 100. Rounding to tens. My first. Here, underline and slide the first one. It will stay the same. 140 plus underline and slide 170. This answer 7 plus 4 equal 11 and 1 310. To the nearest tens it becomes 310. Okay, طب rounding to the nearest 100 which is closer to 100. Here I would round to the nearest 100. This one it becomes 100. 100 plus and this will be 200. The answer will be 300. Who is closer to 307? To the nearest 10 is closer to the actual result. Here, Abir and Ihab are traveling from Aswan to Alexandria. They will travel to 514 kilometers on the first day to Asyut. They will travel 597 kilometers from Asyut to Alexandria on the second day. How many kilometers will they travel in all? My actual result will be 514 plus 597. Okay, 7 plus 4 will be 11 and 1 over the head of 9. 10 plus 1, 11 and 1 here. 5 plus 5, 1 and 1. It's like this. It's 1,111. My estimated result, I will round to the nearest tens like this will be 510. Okay, because 4 is weak number, plus here it will push to the nearest 10, it will push 59. I will push 59 all to be 600. Here my answer will be 0 and 1. 5 plus 6, 11. It's 1110 to the nearest 100. Here I will round. This one will be 500. This one will be 602 plus 600. My answer will be 11 zeros and 1100, which is closer to the answer. I find that rounding to the nearest 10 is closer to the actual result. Okay, here turn the page to page 16. Here I have subtraction strategies. The first number I called minute, the second subtrahend, and the answer is called the difference. Here he wants counting back with decomposing. Draw a number line and write the minute number at the right end of the line. Decompose the subtrahend number in the expanded form. I will take this number and make it like this: 300 plus 20 plus 8. It's the expanded form of this number. And then I will take every number with 563 minus 300. Then the answer, I will take it minus 20. Then the answer, I will take it by 8. We do it in breakup and bridge. In this question, he asked me to solve the problem using a strategy of your choice. He asked me to choose one of my strategies in subtraction to solve. This one I will do like this. I will do breakup and bridge. 200 plus 40 plus 3. I will do this strategy. Equal 734 minus 200 equal 3, and 4, 7 minus 2 equal 5. I will take this answer, 534 minus 40, to give me I will do it outside, 40. 4 minus 0 equal 4. 3, I will take this 4, 13, after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, it's 8 and 4. 484. I will take 484 minus 3 to give me 481. Here, this one I'm going to use. Which strategy I'm going to take? Sorry, I have mistake here. This will be 494. This will be 400, sorry, it's not 8, it's 9. 494, and then this will be 494. 494 minus 3 equal 491. And 90 and 91. Okay, here I will use which strategy I'm going to use? Add to subtract. I will use here this strategy, add to subtract. How can I add to subtract? I will see the least number. I will pick the least number. Which is the least number? 400. It needs how many to reach to the perfect tens? It needs 600. It needs 600 to reach to 3000. I want this number to reach to this number. to reach to 6,245. How can I use it? First of all, I have to start to pick the smallest number, the least number after the minus. Okay, I will add 600. Why 600? Because it needs this number to reach to the perfect tens, 3,000. 3,000 needs how many to reach to 6? 3,000 needs how many to reach to 6,000? It needs 3,002 to reach to 6,000. Okay, I'm a little bit closer. 6,000 needs how many to be 6,245? It needs 245 to be 6,245. Okay, I'm going to take the addend 600 plus 3,000 plus 245 to give me the answer, which is 3,845. This is my answer, and if I do this subtraction together, it will give me also the same answer. Okay, the last strategy I will pick, compensate. I will compensate. My compensation is in minus is plus plus. I will use here, this number needs how many to reach to the perfect tens? It needs 1. I will add 1. And here in the plus I add 1, in the minus I will add 1 2. This number becomes 840 minus this number becomes 200. My answer will be 640. And this is my answer too. If I do this minus this will be 642. Thank you.